Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to create SheerID student account. First, open your web browser and go to a website that offers a student discount through SheerID. When you select the student discount or offer, you'll be redirected to the SheerID verification form. Enter your personal information, such as your first name, last name, school name, and email address. Make sure the information matches your school records. Next, click Verify or Continue. In many cases, SheerID will automatically check your student status using the information you provided. If additional verification is required, you'll be asked to upload a document such as a student ID card, class schedule, enrollment letter, or tuition receipt. Make sure the document is clear and easy to read before submitting it. After that, submit your information for review. Once your student status is verified, you'll receive a confirmation message and can continue with the discount or offer. Keep in mind that SheerID does not typically require you to create a separate student account beforehand. Instead, your student verification is completed during the checkout or offer redemption process on participating websites. If you need to verify your status again in the future, simply follow the SheerID verification steps when requested by the retailer or service provider. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.